Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a make-ahead Christmas breakfast with wraps, and I'm going to do a variety: peanut butter, banana, and maple syrup for the kids, peanut butter and apple, the kids would like these also, and some spicier versions for the adults. To make these easy wraps, you can purchase some wraps or you can make your own, and I'll place the link below for my very easy wraps that you can make in a skillet. But today I'm going to use these purchased wraps, and I'm going to start out with two that would appeal to the children. And I'm going to start out with a tablespoon of peanut butter, and I'll do that on each one. Now I'm going to spread that out. So for this one, I'll start out with some thinly sliced apple. And I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of maple syrup. I'm going to roll that up. And that's number one. And the second one. And I'm going to slice my banana in half. Peanut butter right there just to hold it closed. Drizzle with some maple syrup. Roll that up. Divide them in half, and there's the banana ones and the apple. And I'll wrap these individually in wax paper. To make adult style, I really washed my celery stalks, and I chopped them up very fine like this. And some kale, because I really love kale. I'm going to chop it up really fine. And some finely sliced onion, and some mushrooms, and I grated some carrot, and I have some grated cheese. So I'll start with my wrap. Put a generous dollop of mayonnaise on. Drizzle on a little bit of ketchup and a bit of mustard. And for these, I'm going to use my veggie turkey slices. You could also use my recipe for chickenless nuggets or for my best ever vegetarian burgers, and both links are below. Place them down. And now I'm going to place on some of my kale, some of my celery, my carrots, a few onion rings, and some mushrooms. You can put whatever you like on these. And then a little bit of my shredded cheese, like that. And I'm going to roll it up. Like that. Slice it on an angle. And wrap. Like that. And for another version, using my veggie pepperoni. Again, start with mayonnaise. Drizzle with mustard and ketchup. Place my pepperoni on. Celery, my kale, carrot, a few onion rings, some mushrooms, and then roll it up. Slice on an angle, like that. And for these, I'm going to do a combination of the pepperoni and the smoked turkey. And then add all my greens. Some grated cheese. Roll it up. Wrap them up. Like that. Okay, so now I have a tray of wraps for breakfast on Christmas morning. Cover these with some plastic wrap. Label them for easy identification. And there you go on Christmas morning. Even though you're busy, it'll just be a matter of taking the tray out of the refrigerator. And the adult version can be served hot or cold. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.